System errors causing the Qt5Bluetooth.dll crashes in Qt Framework. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair.
To start our troubleshooting for Qt5 Bluetooth, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Qt5 Bluetooth, the Qt5 Bluetooth module. It provides unmanaged routines for discovering and connecting to Bluetooth hardware, managing the communication data link for localized device manifests.
With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation.
This issue indicates a problem within the Qt Framework installation. Reinstall the latest version of Qt Framework from the official site to restore Qt5 Bluetooth.dll safely.
If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library.
Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Qt5 Bluetooth file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting.
If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files.
Keep in mind that Qt5 Bluetooth.dll must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure.
As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track.
The official utility referenced below outlines an approach to managing Qt5 Bluetooth within a Windows library environment. To keep Qt5 Bluetooth running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.